Hi, I'm Bill Hitchcock, Director of Construction Engineering Management Track of Study here at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. And I would like to introduce to you Ms. Dianne Gilmer, who's my Assistant Director in our Master of Engineering program here. She's really the one that directs the administration and our student experience here as they study for a Master's of Engineering degree in a Construction Engineering Management Track of Study. When we started the program back in January of 2008, Dianne was our first employee really here in the department that manages this Master of Engineering track of study. And she joined me in November of 2007, and we launched our first class of 37 students in January of 2008. And Dianne plays a very, very important role with our students. And I'm going to ask her to explain to you what her role is because it's very, very important. And it's part of the chemistry that we put together that we think makes our program unique. Our program is about you, the students. We are focused entirely on education here. And our staff is dedicated to you, the students, and that you get the very best education possible. And we work very hard here to make sure that we not only deliver an excellent path of study for you and that our curriculum is outstanding, but we also want to be sure that we communicate you on a regular basis. And Dianne is the glue that makes all that happen. And she's the voice you'll hear from the beginning to the end. So Dianne, explain a little bit about what your role is here.
Well, thank you, Dr. Hitchcock. And I am Dianne Gilmer, the Assistant Director here at the Construction Management Program at UAB. I am the primary contact for all of our students. I serve I'm always an advocate for the students from the very beginning all the way from enrollment, from application enrollment all the way through until graduation. I'm a liaison between all the instructors, the IT manager, as well as the graduate school. And it is my job to do everything I can if there's an issue with any of the students, whatever, whether it's coursework or registration, any kind of issue a student has, it's my job to resolve it, and I work very hard and I take that very seriously, and I want them to feel like they have an advocate to help them work through the system.
Well, Dianne's often modest when we talk about how hard she works at this. She sends students emails almost daily, if not nightly, daily, weekends. She's really there to make sure that if you have issues, that we address them immediately. And she does a masterful job of doing that. I would like you also to know that when you go through the process of really deciding whether you want to participate in this experience or not, you may very well talk to Dianne first, and she'll let you know a bit about what we do here, and then she'll schedule a meeting where we will interview you either on the phone or ideally we do it in person. And Dianne and I usually interview people together, and we like to learn what it is that you want in your career. We try to determine whether what we do fits what you want. And Dianne is really talked to so many people. She's really good at understanding the questions to ask you and how to pull out of you what you really want and to give to you information about us that you need and would want in order to make a decision if you want to commit to 19 months with us. And we know that's a big commitment. Tell us a little bit, Dianne, about what the requirements are to be admitted to the program.
Well, the program requirements, there's not a whole lot of requirements, but they're very important that you meet the requirements. We require 2 professional references or recommendation letters. We require original transcripts from all colleges and universities since high school. That includes community colleges. Even if you went one Saturday and just took one course, we have to have original transcripts from all of those, colleges and universities. BS or BA, I think Dr. Hitchcock had spoken earlier about that we do require a BS or a BA degree from a U.S. accredited university. Now, one thing that is very unique about our program is we bring multidisciplined students together in the classroom. We have engineers, we have people with business undergrads, we have mathematicians, we've even had psychology and biology. We're very proud of bringing multidisciplined students together in the classroom. By bringing working professionals in with different backgrounds and diverse backgrounds, the peer interaction is just phenomenal. We're very proud of that. We work very hard to present relevant real-world information in the classroom, and that's one thing the feedback we receive so frequently from our students is that the information that they are learning and the material that we're covering in the classroom is actually applicable to the real world, and they're able to actually use it on their job site and at work, and we're very, very proud of that.
Well, it's been a great joy for both of us to get to meet so many different fine people that work in the construction environment. And it's so exciting to have the multidisciplinary group come together. I mentioned that we have on-campus students, but the majority of our students are distance learning students. And we bring 2 groups in a year. And every term, remember there's 5 terms to earn the degree. Every term at the beginning, we bring students in for what we call a boot camp. Dianne, could you tell them a little bit about what the boot camp experience is?
The boot camp is a wonderful bonding experience between the students and the instructors. We spend at the beginning of each of the 5 terms, we take a Friday and Saturday. We usually start about 8 o'clock on Friday morning and go to 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon. And then Saturday we start around 7:30 and go till 3 or 4 on Saturday afternoon. At the boot camp, we cover 2 weeks worth of material. And there's just something so bonding about being together for 2 days. We eat 3 meals together. We have found it's just such a meaningful experience for the instructors as well as our students. At that time, we do cover 2 weeks worth of material, and then the remaining 10 weeks of material is presented all online through an educational website called Blackboard Vista. And we have just received marvelous feedback from our online students. You know, it's always seems like you're going to be feel very removed from your classmates and instructors, but our online feedback has been tremendous, that they do feel extremely connected. And again, that's a big part of my job, is to stay in touch. I don't want anybody to get lost or feel like they're out there on their own. I really strive to make everybody feel like they're still plugged in and connected to their instructors as well as their classmates.
Thanks, Dianne. We would be very excited and interested in you if you're interested in our program. We'd love to hear from you. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. After this video, you'll see some phone numbers and contact information. But email us, call us. We'd like to find out about you, and we'd like to tell you more about us. So hopefully, if we're a fit for you, you'll take that step to contact us, and we look forward to serving you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for your time today.